I have been taking my indie game, The Tale of LUMI, to a few events over the past months. And today, I'd like to share some of those experiences as I'm about to prepare myself to my biggest event yet, with over 300,000 people expected to attend. Hi, I'm Vector, and I'm making a 2D action platformer called The Tale of LUMI. And this game started as a game jam game that I decided to take to an event to showcase. Then it became my biggest project yet. So it all started in November 2022 when I took this to the event. Now on the surface, it might not look like much, but I'm telling you, there were a lot of people playing this over the weekend. A lot more than I imagined. Next weekend, I was on another event. This was a 4-day event, and the results were very good overall. I had everything that I wanted to make sure that this project wasn't just something that I wanted to do, but also something that other people were interested in playing. After those two events in quick succession, I started to take this project a lot more seriously. Though I cannot work on this full time just yet, I am using every single minute that I have to work on this game. Then I participated on another event in March 2023, which helped me to do a before and after comparison of the work. And it was interesting because some of the people that were attending the first two events also attended the third event, and they were very happy with the overall progress. So this has been the journey so far, and honestly, I don't think I'd be working on this game for as long as I have if it wasn't for those events and early players. And it was great to hear their feedback and ideas, and to get a sense of what players think about the work that I'm doing. Participating on events has been crucial to the development of the Tale of LUMI, but the next step is a little scary, if I'm being honest. Unfortunately, I can't say much right now, but this is gonna be big. It's a big gaming event, and I'll be at the indie space with my small booth and my demo. But I'm sure this will give me a much better perspective about my project and gaming in general. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, consider subscribing. I'm documenting my journey of making this little indie game, and hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, take care.